So let's go! Welcome to this little world! Let's see what's inside. Little fellas. You keep on flying away from me, but I don't want to hurt you. Oh, super cute! There's the egg! There's another one! Why? Wow, there's so many eggs! I'm gonna feed you, but don't bit me anymore. Alright, so now we're gonna feed the birds actually because that's what I do every single time when I come up to Daddy's bird cage. So we made mungai leaf grass. We're gonna feed the bird. You can take it. Okay. Time for me. Okay, that's what it is. I guess the father and the mother want some. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. I guess she's right. Okay, he's pulling. He's pulling. I don't know where's Abby, but he's pulling. Pulling. Okay. Don't. Okay, so now some more. That's super funny. Tweety. Tweety. Leah has a pet Albie. Albie's super cute, actually. Alright, they're not gonna. What in the world, lemon seeds are they doing? Hi! Actually, I'm allergic to like dust, but you're super cute, Abby. Kuya, your pet is super cute. You little cute fella. What is Abby doing? Abby. These are the other little birds of Daddy. Also, they're like know how to fly, but because I keep on putting my hand here and then they fly over there. When I put my hand here, they fly over there. Birdies, 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 birdies. What is the what? Can't do it. Can't hide. See? When I put my hands into it, wow! You're like flying. Why there's eggs in the bottom? There's eggs in the bottom. I hope you actually because that will be spread. Because actually now I'm gonna finish feeding the birds. Birdie. Birdie. I know you like birdies. Come on. Okay, so the birdies started. Birdies. 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 Birdies, come out this instant. Please. Oh, well. Here you go. You're eating. Which one should I feed them next? Of course, the sides. I think I'm done feeding the birds. That's it for today. Please leave a like and hit the notification bell. Also subscribe. Bye!